Hi, hello, good afternoon, Stella. It's me, your sister, your friend. Welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time of watching, please share this video. Show love and like. Click the like button for we have more to talk about. Just look for your share and sit down because your opinion is really needed here. Please drop a comment as you watch this video. Don't just look at my video and go, just click. Even if you don't like anything I'm talking, but please just click the like button. Okay, God will bless you as you do that. As you do that, God will bless you. So my beautiful people, in today's video we will be talking about a sister, let me say a sister who is looking for a sister, and also a husband who is looking for a wife back in Libya. So let me start from this. So my people, you get this bros when say she and her wife, him and a wife, sorry, him and a wife, more we use pidgin talk am cause na that one sweet pass. So him and a wife travel go Libya 2019. So as they Libya, they not go there go stay. We all know say anybody when go Libya, they see they try as much as possible to cross. So time of crossing courage, we know say no easy for the crossing season. Okay, the crossing season not the day always, because the water not dey not be every time they settle according to people when don pass there. So that is it. So this our brother, he say they when don dey look for, they can go near water side. Okay, they can go near water side, come begin dey study the water. They don't pay money when they want to cross. So weather not come good, weather really dey bad. So they spend like 6 months there for elsewhere. Man, they use the language elsewhere. So for that process, so na there the woman come from take care, get belle. Although their family don't know them before because they date right from house. So I not gonna know whether the bros don't do the necessary thing, but he say na him wife. So family of the girl know say this boy na him dey date their sister. So na wife for him. So na wetin talk. So as they come reach, they say finally weather come good, and this woman na don come get belle. Say her belle sef don dey come outside. So night time of crossing reach, say that day when they come go near seaside, they say boat really full. The boat full well. Say the woman sef come dey fear, say no, you no go fit make the wait follow the other boat. Now this man, the husband come tell her say, you know money wey we pay say no be small money. If we say make we wait follow another boat, all the Arab woman already collect money, e no go refund money back. Abeg, make we manage. Okay, make you follow them, make me wait, because na 2 chance na remain. The woman say no, safe na so make the man follow them. He go follow the other one come. After all, people see dey for camp for their get to there when go stay comot. So the man come say okay, if you say so, na so the man come take follow them, my people. As he follow that, as he just reach, he come dey happy, come call the woman, say confirm. Woman come dey happy, but he really pain the man. Say I wish this woman follow am, if for really dey more okay, as in for just dey more confirm. The man sef he might not see come that based on say a woman see dey Libya there, but the connection man sure say the following week they go come. So the following week they can't really do am, they can't push. So the woman come confirm, but as the woman confirm, the boat when be say they enter, they say confirm. So this man now not come hear from this woman. Okay, he not hear from this woman, because I see where they put the story, okay, for Facebook. So I can't call the number. Now there the girl come sit dey explain for me. Even my phone not too dey much okay, but it just the echo one kind, but una go still hear the girl voice. So na him as the man can't wait for that very week, that day, even that day when they say they go push gone. So the next day of it, this man sef don dey call the connection man, say wetin happen. He no hear from his wife. His wife never. Now the man dey call and tell her say the boat confirm, nobody at all from inside even ukpeme. And some of the girls, some girls, some women when be say they still dey when the man leave comot, all of them say they confirm. He go call you, maybe dey camp, maybe the camp where they rescue her, she never see phone take call. Now they can't deal, they can't even rest, you understand? So the 1 week finish, because at time they be like that. Some of them when they come, say where the fair they keep there, they know they see phone. That week finish, the following week the same thing. Even my bros come, they panic. Wetin can happen? Now they begin call home. Not they don't call home as in they call home. They no place when they never go for prayer. All those everywhere. They say this woman go call. He go call. She did her life. Nothing even fly and to pussy. All of them they talk say this girl dey her life. Say she dey. He don't cross enter Europe. They're not gonna decide where go. Whether na Malta na this girl cross go because the whether she dey where they give her injection of madness, so we not know. Okay, because at time it dey happen like that. Some of them when they come, the kind aduro wey they chop, the aduro wey they sick for. Yes, some go say they no dey fine. So they carry they go give them the injection, and that injection and they make their case worse. Okay, you won't be say you dey fine, nothing happen to you. You go chop aduro say you not dey fine. Oh, na so you not just dey well, as in you dey you dey wacko, you know. They no get any choice that to they give you all this food wey they give mad people. And if you dey normal, you go they take all those things. E no good if it can carry your head. You no go even remember where you dey come from. So we don't know. To me, my people, now so it can't even happen. So they not hear from us. So now where they come, they talk the matter for Facebook. This since 2019. He said 2019 in August they talk. Now can't reach today. That they go 2 years now. August this year now go be 2 years. This is too. So the thing come back for them, but they still they find out because they say nothing happened. Say the girl enter. We not come know my people. So we not know. May I play the girl this her sister voice. Even with the one when she tell me say the man too go call me. Okay. So let me play the sister voice so that you can understand. Sorry. Because as they talk to me, I try to record it so that people will know. What is up now? Say the girl name na Rachel. Na Rachel she talk now. Now, come on now, please hold on, guys. Let me forward it to you. Okay, Vivian. Now Vivian I be her name, okay? Not be Rachel. Her name na Vivian. I don't know, get what I download for my phone or whether na you can make. You get what I download for my phone. Maybe na make. Now I make the voice come even casora come scatter like this because they come they go up they go down. This one baffle me. Even this phone at time e go just dark, at time e go organic. So na him my beautiful people. So na so e just come take happen. At time this phone go dim, at time e go sharp. Wow, bo. This one na magic. I be waiting. So na him we listen to this her voice. So her name na wetin e call Vivian. Na him dem dey call the girl. She say the girl dey 25 years. Yeah. So the girl, her man, they don dey Italy here. They still dey hope one day make this girl remember us, even if e no remember this e husband. If e come be say we pray make nothing happen to am, may be say all this prophecy wey man of God o everywhere anywhere wey be say they go, when they don talk say this girl dey her life, make God let am be true, may be true say this girl dey her life, make nothing happen to am in Jesus name. So I go show her picture. I'll show her picture. So she dey very young. Please, this is really serious. She's really young. I beg. Anywhere you now see her. Oh my goodness. Where the picture? I think I thought I saved the picture. So now she be this. Now she, una dey see the picture. Okay. So now she be this. Now she be this. I don't even know why they can't go bring picture when she put glass. So now she be this, okay? So let me check. Because it reach like 2 when they send for me. All this one a picture when she take when she did Nigeria. Very fine girl, very fine girl. God have mercy. May they see the girl, make the girl call for where she did. Oh, what this? I tell them make they send that for me for WhatsApp. Oh, see the girl, very fine girl. Like, I'm gonna wait to. Please hold on, guys. What's happening now? This one wey wear glass na I can't open and people now people want to see am. May wait if this one what it's just the road. I don't know. I'm coming. Let me just walk through. My network is okay. Oh, time is going on. So this hold on. So my people, so I got those video. Just let me reduce the light so much, like it's too bright. I see this picture, sorry, because not too this one open. So now it be this. So make I show now so that una go see am wherever una see this person, abeg make una tell am say e people dey look for am. So na she be this. Oh, Salobua. Na dey bright Igbeko. So na be this. Una don see her now. Sure, una don see her. So na she be this. So her husband and her sister, they are looking for her. They say she dey European. This one a picture when she take 290 before she comot. They comot for Nigeria. So I no wan show the man picture. Na she when they look for now show. So please, Biko, this one are real. This one are real. Please just try to share this message. So wherever una see her, I beg share the message. God bless you, I beg. So my people, make we move over to the other topic of today where we are here. So now we move over to today's topic. Today's topic is about a man called what it be name? A Nigerian man. So this man is just, you know, he beat and bruise a woman. So a woman can go harrow IP. Now so the matter happen. A woman can't go harrow IP. Just, you know, she fall down. She's just lump. From there, they rush and go hospital. They say she dey coma. From there, now so the woman come out, go harrow IP. So how the matter self they happen be say this man, and before I start this video, I beg, if you be say you as a woman or a man they watch this video, please stop to the beat your woman, stop to the beat your wife. Is not really the right way to go, not be the best way to go about it. If you be say your woman, you notice say they give you headache, wait till you say me your woman no they do, she they do she they always insult you, nagging and all that. There are other way for you to go about it rather than beating. Beating not be the best option, because some women, they really get this sharp mouth. They can talk, they're not going to tire. So as a responsible and mature man that you have, you just wear your clothes, just find somewhere, go sit down, calm down, leave the house for her. If she talk nag tire, maybe sleep go catch her and she go sleep. If you come, you suffer enter house, okay? Maybe after she nag tire, she can't even forget to cook, wait for you. Problem not dey enter kitchen, look for something to eat for yourself, because you won't be the man na akara wey hungry you, now you buy chop for market. Why? Because you suppose know say this lady na nagging type. Maybe she not get respect for you. You know all those things for the beginning. Why? You still insist to marry her because you dey carried away by her beauty. She's pretty. She get, you know, she get that figure eight when be say once you carry her come outside, people they say, wow, now your babe be this, wow, now your woman be this. They go they clap and follow you. But you when they carry the woman waka, you they die inside. You they die in shame or in silence. But based on say she's pretty, you marry her. Not that you don't know, because some men will be saying that she was not like this, so she just changed. How your woman change overnight? As in, before una marry, una not date, your woman not come greet you like una spend a month or a week together for una to understand una character very well. I don't know. If na person wey be say anybody wey get hot temper not fit dey hide her feeling, how she want to hide am? If you just do any small thing, she don't vex, she don't bask on you, she don't even tell you say abeg not call me again, not just try that thing, oh come wetin the way go even take the talk to you, now there you go say which kind person be this one. Me not fit stay with this kind person, but you know you still insist to marry the person. Later now you will be saying maybe na devil work, oh she was not like this, so my brother, you are a liar. And if you are a woman watching this video, you say that my husband just changed overnight, oh she was not like this, so you are a liar too. The only thing that I will agree with you, my lady, that your husband change. If you tell me that okay, your husband, you later find out that your husband is they always cheat on you, you know, your husband na flirt, I go understand that one, because that particular that place, you know, that point na truth, because man fit keep her away from woman. secretly you no go know. But if you see the woman wey say dey intelligent, you fit say find out, okay, why your fiance man wey you wan marry, okay, una started dating, maybe una date like 2 years before he finally propose to you, una marry, why be say he dey always carry a phone dey run from you? E phone, you no fit carry a phone, he no fit just give you dey free enough to say take my phone, you wan use my phone, you wan make it, maybe you ask us, okay, you wan make call, maybe you no get card for your phone, he no go fit give you a phone, you go dey carry a phone dey hide. He put fingerprint, everything, all kinds of padlock. He padlock the phone, you no fit dey enter a phone, nothing. So tell me, what is the meaning of that? Wetin dey so secretly for inside the phone when be say you, when dey date am, as in when you wan become a wife to be, e no fit let you see. So that one na number one sign for you to know say this man no be am, e get wetin e dey hide. If man don dey cheat, when e get some strange number, because that number fit call at any time, or they fit text message either for WhatsApp or for other network, either for WhatsApp or for Facebook. So e go put fingerprint, and e go always dey, the way e go take the phone dey protect the phone, e go be like a newborn momo. E go dey carry the phone like egg. If you just put am, if the phone small message just enter, the man mind go cut, because why? He know say you dey house, make you not just mistakenly go there and see who writes the message. So if you dey smart enough, you fit still find that. But person wey not just dey smart, maybe you don't even care, abeg you, nothing like that no dey happen, you just dey carried away, dey happy say finally he proposed to me. Then later, after he propose to you, marry you, you will na there your mind go come go there say you go come dey, as in when he don marry you enter house, na that time you go come dey insist say wetin even dey this your phone wey you dey carry dey enter bedroom, dey carry go everywhere you dey go, open am and see wetin dey inside. If he no open am for you, and na there quarrel for the start. If he no open am for you, why you not tell her that time wey una dey date? Why you no insist tell am say make he open the phone, say you wan see am? Because they don marry you enter house, now you say you come be full housewife, you now have the authority, everything, to command him by force to open the phone. You for command that time we never put ring for your hand. You see, now wetin you for do. And some of our girls, why? Because they more agitated, they more desperate, why they are just looking for, they look for husband, and finally one come propose to them, they go the guy house, the guy have everything, if they work, is financially okay, they don't even care for the other side. If this guy is, na person wey get hot temper, na person wey be say for na 2 days no go give you peace for 1 second, you know all those things as a woman. But you say insist to go inside, because where money dey now, you say without money, no money, no love. You wan go meet the one wey go dey pet you, dey carry you like common man, at the end money no dey. E better you go say I die here, e better make I just follow this one wey just get money, so even if he go dey beat me, go dey use blow dey lolo my ear, I no even care. It's not that you don't know. So more una stop this pretending and lie wey una dey go social media dey talk, you understand? For that beginning, you should know the person that you want to marry. You can't say you don't know that person, you know the person, but because you have carried, as in you don't dey carried away by your selfish interest. You don't even care how tomorrow will be, what tomorrow will bring. You don't even care. Some of you will say, oh, God will change him, God will change him. It's you that will change him before God too, because God, not be God now choose the man for you. God not dey choose wife nor husband for person. God now make it right and say, he'll that find a wife, find a good thing and obtain favor for him will be God. Okay, so if you find a husband, position the man as you take want her, present her to God. God go start your own work for there. And don't forget, always pray. And you as a man, the same thing. If you find a woman, present the woman before God. God go start from there. So mona not they use that language and not just know why it can't change you. How it can change, you know all those things. Some of una they will be women. When una dey date, you go do like say na you will be the woman, and you better pass. You not go dey ask this man money, you won't do your hair, you not go dey ask am anything, because you know one call they ask all those things, may not say this girl is too demanding. I don't think I can move on, I can marry a woman like this. No, 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 she's just too, no, 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 this one is not a woman material. Ha, she's just too demanding. You won't buy this, you won't buy that, this girl won't kill me. You go come hide down for that reason. Only you go dey do all those things for yourself. Only you go dey buy your hair or any cloth, new shoe. If you wan go the guy, maybe any shoe bag when you wan buy, why maybe you dey work, so you go dey buy all these things by yourself. But immediately the man now, out of your selfish interest, you go say, this woman is so nice. So then they see woman like this, maybe the woman self, if you wan go greet the fiancé, he go use small half of his salary, even buy space and buy food stuff, heap, carry go meet the guy house. The guy self go dey eat. He go say, this guy must marry her. This girl is too good. Oh, hell, God, now you just give me this one. This girl too good. You imagine, I no even dey spend 1 naira. You no even dey ask me money for cream, anything. Well, immediately you marry and enter house. Now there you go know if he go ask you money for cream or not. Some, as you marry, they start from there. Go begin, they ask you money for cream, money for clothes, money for everything. Go tell you, say, now you be man of the house. So say, all this while, at least she try. May you continue from there. Some of them, when they just marry, they enter house, they change to the women. Maybe that when she dey single, she dey work, she dey try to get her money and all that. She just say man don't carry her. They go just carry all their load too, just put on top of the man. So men, don't be carried away with this woman. She is not demanding, she is not this. It's better that you move, as in follow and date somebody that is very polite, somebody when they open. That say you see people that is very quiet, doing as if they don't know anything. Those one, they are devil. You see them, you say, this one is very quiet. To be like, say this girl not just know anything. When she go do you go hear we. So why I bring this topic, I bring this topic because of this man. I drop her profile there, her profile picture on the top name, which una go see her later. Okay, so I will still drop her behind after I'm done with this video. So I will keep on there. This man, so he and the woman, that they always get this misunderstanding. No peace for the house. Fight, boss may boss you every day. Even neighbors self, they tire because when they don't, they fight. You know, Africa now. Africa don't know whether they don't dark, whether na midnight, or whether people they sleep, or whether neighbor won't go work. Or it not concern them. Now, here when we even come, European when we did, now we try to the. If we dey make noise, we understand, say, so time we're not supposed to make noise, so people they sleep. Because if you make noise fast like that, they have no option that to come press your bell. If you not stop, they will call police for you. But such don't happen in Africa. You feel make noise, do party. If you want do party 3 times a week, you are free. Nobody will control you. Now so Africa, now so this man and wife, they quarrel every day. From there, they born 1 pikin, born 2, born 3. Okay, the 3rd one, yes, they born 2. Then the woman was pregnant again. Okay, they still they quarrel. And when they quarrel like this man go just start beating. They beat this woman. You go they beat the woman. The woman go they shout. So this last one, this was about a week ago. When it just they beat the woman. They slap her. They kick her. And so the woman take fall for ground. And so she just a slump. So they carry her to hospital. As they carry her go hospital now, so now from there, the woman enter coma. So for coma, this my sister, this woman, so not be my sister. This woman, she not come make her. Not be my sister because my sister no go just dey. I don't know. I not go say she dey foolish because as she don't die comot now, who lose? Share the man now go stay more than if the man too stay maybe 2 years, he go carry another wife. If he never have fair get for her side. When they cause their quarrel. So now so the woman come dey coma. She spend some weeks for coma. Now so the woman take go with pregnancy, everything. They say when her blood come rush, her blood they come off for her nose everywhere. So the woman not make her. So be careful, you as a woman. If you know say you get hot tempered, body they pepper you. You not feel bear something. You not feel bear insult, and you know that your husband too get hot temper. Control yourself. In those days, may I tell you one story. When our mama dey with our papa, if they quarrel like this, our mama no dey stand up, they look our papa face, they challenge our papa. But nowadays, women go stand, they look the man face, saying, what can you do? What can you do? Oh yeah, come, I will deal with you. Even the kind insult wey una even dey heap on una husband, at time I go put one for her, say Chineke, like seriously, even if the man curse you, you fit dey 100 man, you fit just dey domot. If the case dey come, you go quickly run. Than say you know say you dey the house, you go see the insult am. Wait, okay, you insult person, wetin you expect the person to do now? You don push am, even some of una go dey curse the man, mama, parents, everything. Wetin you know say go just pain the man, wey the man go just take beat you, say he go just gbake you, as in he wan just gba you, he wan just send you go RIP today. The man don really provoke, as in na una go dey tell wetin go just pain, and na una go just dey heap insult on the man. This is bad, it's really bad. If you want to be say maybe your man do wetin no good, either you advise am in no ear, and you wan insult am, stay outside. Make stay outside. You know say even if you dey pursue you dey come, you no go fit catch you. Than say you dey the same house. Some of una sef, una no go even fear. Like woman, which strength you get to go take fight man? You no fit now. No matter how you giant reach, small man like this one, he go still breathe you. So that strength don dey with them from the beginning. Okay, some of una go still stand, you know, with the hanger go grip the man cloth, tear the man cloth, everything. No be home go fit take am. And you as a woman, you come to say this man character he get as e be, you no fit be again. Wetin you need to do? Pack your things and go. You no get rest of mind, you no get happiness with the man. What are you still doing there? I think they keep saying that it's true, marriage is not a bed of roses, so someone have to endure. Keep enduring. But if you cannot endure, you don't try to endure, my dear. Instead of you to go harrow happy, try to give yourself peace. Try to give yourself peace, because there's no need that you are there, you are not having peace. You are always moody, always sad, as in no moment of peace or happiness in your home. That is not marriage. Why not go to your father's house, or just look for somewhere else to stay? Stay there and give yourself peace. So that is it. And give yourself peace, because I have not seen anywhere in the Bible that God write and say any woman that, I don't know, divorce her husband will go to hellfire. No. Or any man that divorce a woman will go to hellfire. Me, I have not seen it. Okay, I have not, my dear. I know Bible condemn it that we should not divorce our husband, only on one condition. If maybe the man cheat, it's only that one that can do you both apart, you guys apart. But if the man not cheat on you, you have no reason. Even if the man cheat on you, it depends on you. If you decide to forgive him, no problem, una fit still move on. But if you not decide to forgive him, God not go vex for you. But if he can't be say person, according to you, person when you marry can later change, he changed to tiger. No moment of peace, quarrel, fight every day, my dear. You have the opportunity before it's too late for you to leave and give yourself peace. Nobody, even if family people, for the sake of your children, stay. Now when you don't go happy, who will take care of the children? Who will take care of the children? You have opportunity to live and make peace for reign. Since you not fit calm down, because two captain no fit stay the same boat. So you really have the opportunity to give yourself peace, or neither. You understand that, okay, this person, see wetin dey cause quarrel, why not just try to admit? Or if the man wetin in dey do when dey cause quarrel, you don't know already, this, just leave that point, leave that side, make you move on, start doing what you are doing. Or you as a man, you find that, okay, your woman is a naggy type, she don't cook, she don't do this, and you find that, say, okay, you don't tire, my dear, you can still send her packing. Maybe you don't talk, you don't tire, you not go kill yourself now. Then you fit tell and say, okay, go your parents' house, go sit down first. So my people, na him be this, so na him. So na so we see am. May we take very, very careful, okay? Dey careful. Not just maybe because some of our men just stay there because for outside, man near the camera, one for the see my face well. For outside, their friends, they always tell them, say, my woman for us, fear not the let am talk wow. Fear not the let am say, pim, if she try am, they do am this, they do am that. And for that reason, you sef go you really believe wetin that your friend dey talk. If you just reach as if your woman just dey make pim, na so you just use slap follow and beat every day. The day when you go set, when you go mistakenly slap her, she fall, she not wake up. Now this man, now where e dey? Police don come, they don carry the man go kirikiri. They don carry am, so police, all of them don dey involved. All of them don dey involved. So now my people. So as we speak, the police are already involved. They don't go carry the man because anybody when you keep by hand go always, go. They will still back the person too by hand. May we dey very careful, my people. May we understand waiting that they talk when they talk about something violent. May we know what that thing mean. That talk, may we know what it mean. You there with woman wey no dey give you rest of mind, brother. Wetin you still dey do with her? Okay, na the kpekus dey sweet you. Maybe they give you well for bed, or I don't know. Yes, some women dey maybe for that kpekus side, na they really sabi. They sabi kere wawa their husband well. But apart from that, they be zero. Talking about character, cooking, keeping the house, keeping their husband, they no sabi, but na that kere wawa they sabi. So if you be the type when be say na kere wawa woman you go carry, because say they kere wa you and they satisfy you, and biara na even some day when be say because of say their woman not the kere wa they wear, then they because of and they go aside. So na vice versa. But me prefer, I prefer me my woman they good for all area, not only for kere wawa. May just still try best small for all area. I know say no get person when be say e dey perfect. Yeah, you no get person when go come outside say now me dey perfect part. So even is holy Jesus Christ that is perfect. Apart from that, no human being on earth is perfect. Okay, and you also as a man, if you know that you get this kind of woman when be say body dey pepper her, nagging woman, they talk before they break, he must find complaint from you when be the man. If you never find one point of complaint come, so na quarrel, she no go rest. She must definitely bring complaint. Una must quarrel. But what you need to do? What you need to do now for you to dey pray. Continue praying. They pray for her. Know wetin she wants, because even nagging people, they still their antidote is still there. They not just teachers, they say they just sit down, just carry the nag, maybe get wetin you they do when she not like, so she start from there. So if you notice that thing, you quit. You fit still use your hand, repair your something. You fit use your hand, build your something as you want, make it dey. People self go even see una self, they go even like to kind of, oh, see this lovely couple, wow. They know the hear una voice, nothing. They don't know. Say now you won't even be the man. Now you keep your home. They go say now woman now be the pillar. Now they keep home. Even man, you still have big and long road to play in your home, in your marriage. Yeah, because now from the man I quarrel for just they come. Now from the man, now there. If you know that, okay, this is what this woman, this thing, the woman don't like it. Okay, you know already that she don't like it. And you still insist. You still continue doing it. And you know that this my woman, my wife is a naggy type. And you keep bringing up topic, all this topic of nagging, this topic that you know that, this topic, if I just bring her now, it doesn't set again, you go just know how you go just take they manage that kind of person. Now go they go peace go rain to avoid fight every day when it come they happen to be say one person go harrow happy. It's really bad. Make we try to as in know some certain terms. Not be just by saying man propose to you. He don't propose to you, you won't just marry how your body they hurt, you won't just marry as may you just marry, may God I thank you. It's not be only that one. Marry, yes, that one na the best thing wey be say can ever happen to a woman, okay? But at the same time, you still need to understand this person, whether you and her fit live stay together forever. You go still know as a woman, get the spirit of endure, try to endure. Not be any small thing, you any slight provocation you don't provoke anything at all, you don't prove. Everybody don't know say don't set your family, your husband people, you don't carry for, they call them, they report your husband to them. Hey, you don't tell how you want go, even pastor self go come even they run from your call, because some of una dey like that 247 na so na go dey disturb pastor line. Pastor oh, e don start again oh, na beat e dey beat me since. So you don't ever ask yourself, those people when you dey complain to, they house with their man, who they those one they carry phone too come they complain to you? No, they don't complain to you. You see, they don't complain to you. They try to manage their home, manage their self the way it is. But you, no, your own lie, you don't start, you don't carry, you no go gree. If you know say you no wan gree, you know say you no wan take correction from everybody, nobody go fit just, some people dey like that oh, they go say no, nobody go fit use me anyhow, nobody go just talk to me anyhow. Person just talk to you the way you don't like, that person don't offend you, you no go even get mind of forgiveness to forgive that person. Then stay your own now. Very simple. If you stay your own, you be mad of your own. You know, if you dey your house now, say person go come dey control you. Now your house you dey, stay on your own. Me say you know if you stay on that man, but if you say you want stay on that man, you must calm down. Yes, calm down for certain things. Let your ego calm down. If you know that some words when be say you use on your husband, and your husband tell you say not like the way you talk to her, e no go take you anything to say, darling, honey, I'm sorry. Just say it. You're sorry. It's not going to take anything from you. But rather, you feel too big, you can't say you are sorry. Sorry for waiting. Did I say anything wrong? Why will I tell you sorry? You should be the one to tell me sorry before arguments will start from there. Argument will start from there, my people. So this is it. Then more will go to, so make our women more will learn. So some certain things they were supposed to do to make sure say our home still last, to avoid divorce and beating always, for man to stop beating you. If you know say you dey stay with man, the man dey, as any small thing don raise am, not dey near am, not dey carry your face dey near am now. If you go work, you fit even text am message, tell her anything wey you want tell. Must you start for in front? You want stage fight with man? As in, it's not possible. You can do it, because you not get power, that strength not there with you. So the power where women get now, matter there. So I know say some women they when they beat their husband, that one not come out, okay? Before you see woman beat you, say that man, that man, they really need to still examine the man one kind, because it's not really easy. Maybe that man not be man, real man. It's hard, it's difficult. So and it's wrong. Now make for year that they against him. If you be even being said that okay, the person not be even your, una not relate in any way, not be your friend, not be your fiancé, not be your husband, anything. You are face to face, you just go the fight woman for na big crime. You can go in for it. They feel carry you now go kiri, you spend 6 months before you go come outside. Especially if they see some bruises for the woman body. That is it. You don't fight woman. So if you be man and you really know say you really get the strength enough, please don't use it on your woman. No, don't use it on her. Just forgive. If you can't continue, I beg, go your papa house. I will send, go your papa house. When your body don't come down, I will come carry you in. So now so my people, another one story again we still there. Now concerning this pastor, those pastor we will see for the news dey all over social media. The pastor carry coffee, put for his head. They waka for street to street. They shout, they pray, they pray, they call God name, say make God abeg come for the rescue of Nigeria, that Nigeria is gradually collapsing. And some people come out to say this man is he going crazy? White man of God, great man of God, such as what will be the name of the church? Let me go and check. This other. Okay, the pastor name na the General Overseer of Resurrection Praise Ministry. So Bishop Samson Benjamin protests against the Buhari administration Saturday in Lagos. So Benjamin, popularly known as Jehovah Shashap, he carry coffee on his head. I will drop the picture too. So the man carry coffee for his head, you know. So he dey against so protested against the Buhari administration means in the own protest. So na im own style of protest na be that one, im own way of protesting against Buhari, Nigeria president na be that. He say na wetin God tell am make him do. So make una stop to dey use all this in some all this word like say like word like this man wetin he no know wetin dey do. Obiara know wetin dey do. He say na wetin God tell am make him do. Na him dey do. So who know, we pray for as the man, you know, he remove, he no fit too big, no fit too shame to say God, he owe me prophet resurrection. Let me see his name. Okay, popularly known as Jehovah, he owe me Jehovah Shashap. You asked me to carry a coffee on my head. This man no feel, he no just reason am as anything. He come outside for street blood daylight, carry coffee, dey waka for all over the street with microphone for him mouth, dey announce, dey pray, say make God abeg come and rescue Nigeria from this collapsing. Say Nigeria dey collapse, and una dey there dey laugh instead of una to join this Jehovah Shashap to pray make God answer a prayer. He say for good how many months now, say since last year till now, according to him, he say he never eat any food cook. I will leave everything here, you will see it yourself. He say he never eat anything cook by anything when they cook by hand, abia ite put any food when they cook with fire, yes, say never eat am. He just surrender everything, you know, to pray, to seek the face of God, to make sure say Nigeria remain one of the best in Africa as it always be before. You understand me? So that is it. So man, I know they use such. God can ask you to do anything. So if you are a true man of God, if God say, okay, go do this, okay, carry broom, go sweep, just be sweeping, you know. God can ask you to do anything. You don't have to challenge God. Oh God, I can't do this. So it means you are not servant of God. If you are servant of God, God can send you to anywhere. Okay? When I remember what happened to Isaac and Jacob, I beg, I don't forget some part for Bible. Where so God, he asked God, say, wetin God want make him do. When God say make a sacrifice his only son, and that was true. He carry his son, he won't really sacrifice am before God come even say no, make a rest. Okay, so I don't remember the point of Bible whether na Isaac and na Jacob. I don't know one among them way for Bible because he don't say una no first this our head, he really carries so many things. Okay, so he not go challenge God, say God, only this one pikin when I get now, you see say make me sacrifice for you. He still carry this pikin, won't sacrifice am before he can't hear God's voice. God really say, oh my beloved servant, no, don't do it. Okay, so what did this man do now? Waiting. If una know this man, know the as in is very strong anointing man of God. Now this Jehovah Shashap be for Lagos, they know him all over, okay? So it's not too just the frequent for social media. It not be like the rest pastor where they always drag their name all over here and there for social media, because him know wetin they do. So it's always his focus and his stand to work for God till infinity. So please, make una no use una mouth come go dey, dey want the insult man of God. No, you should join him. If you be say na Africa now you suppose know say that country is really collapsing. Okay, you dey see many things dey happen. Food now, cup of garri, you fit see the buy cup of garri, you fit see dey buy rice dey cook. How many families, the family for that Africa fit dey feed their children? They eat how many square meal? There are many. So many family, they find it so difficult to feed. It's not easy. They find it so difficult to feed their children. Like, it's not easy. Basket of garri, when they buy how much before? Is it not 400 naira? Now it's 1,000. What about somebody who have like 5 children? How many you want buy? And we know say the rich people really dey Africa, rich people dey that Nigeria, but how many? Now the ones when they manage wey poor, na the many pass, because government no give opportunity to people to tell to not give any opportunity to support people when they manage. Rather, it give opportunity to people when don rich, make them become richer and richer. So that's the problem we have in Nigeria, and nobody's talking about it. Those rich men, Senate, they are even the one that even corrupt Nigeria most. The Senate them. So nobody who is going to speak for Nigeria. I can imagine, is it not last year when youth come aside for EndSARS? See how una not see how it happen, how it end. Some other people, youth like EndSARS, like other youth that when come outside, come protest, other youth from nowhere, they come begin chase peaceful protesters away. They shoot. They shoot. Many were injured. Some even from there go Haro IP. So tell me, if they come say, okay, make them protest again, which mama go allow a pikin come outside for you to know say that country now prayer like this now it needs. Now wetin this man of God do? Suffer carry coffee. Whether na Nigeria, whether na Buhari won't bury for there, because I hear say Buhari don already go RIP before. Maybe his spirit now he go bury for inside the coffee, or I don't know. Or maybe na the problem, all this colonial master, when they connive to make sure say that country they won't collapse, because if it collapse, they get many things to gain. I believe not them now they go bury for inside the coffee when we say carry, because Nigeria will never collapse, because we have our families there. No matter what, where we dey, tomorrow we will still buy ticket to go home and visit our family. So we are still praying. Is our country, and is the best. We go to our country, we are free, nobody to challenge us. So the government should try it as much as possible, because 2023, before Buhari will come out, it's still far. If things continue as they go, so many people feel not survive reach that time. Yeah, you can imagine for news now, as station, I believe say police station don't even full. Every day now they catch thief, every day kidnapper, small children, all of them don't enter street, they kidnap, they thief, everything. What are we saying? They go say go work. Some of them, myself, I don't even know. You won't go the thief. If you thief, they go even see catch you. Why not just I don't know, manage anything when you feel manage? If you're not back, if you're not boss, so manage. Go steal another person something. It's not the best way to go. We know say the government really, kill youth future, kill most of the youth, kill their dreams and all that, but you can still struggle, still manage on your own. Even if na food, you see if you eat, you see where lay your head, you put your head. Don't think say, okay, my friend, say that my friend not be the right Lizos, not be person, not be human baby, that one, not be Lizos, she be he the right. Don't think about it much. If you dey ride Lizos, let her ride. If your time come, you go ride your Lizos. So always pray. Where others go and fail, may the God protect you. May you go there, may you win, may you not fail, and be strong. Don't go and join people. Don't do things because people are doing it. Okay, people are doing Yahoo now, like what I heard that some of them are even using their private parts, some are using their mom, their dad to do ritual because of money. All those Yahoo guys. So you still want to go and join them. You want to go and join them because you want to make money. You want to ride the latest car in town. No, don't do that. Why would you do it? Eh? Why will you do it? So don't do it. It's bad, my dear. Don't do it. Manage what you have, no matter how bad the condition of Nigeria is, no matter how bad the situation is, we can still manage. Hungry enough fit beat you, say you carry sand dey eat. Now what I will say. So don't go and steal something that does not belong to you. Oh, those people when be so now they admire today, they start from somewhere. You, if they tell you where they come, where they fit take get wetin they get today, and you can't go there go steal from them. You steal from them. Those people, you think they not go fit say make they fold their hand, make you go free now, because some of una wey be thief, if una don smoke finish, una no know wetin una dey do. Una go see bad person like witch, wizard, all of them. Una go see enter their house go thief. If you thief in something, go shake head. They go say the next time when you go thief another person, they must catch you. And now they say they catch most of una. And I really weep for Africa. All these youth when they catch every day, they go thief, they go because una won't just make her overnight. So tell me, you to see that our country, Nigeria, I don't know. All of una won't make am overnight. Una won't just make the money. So make we be careful. Okay, you see, overnight we won't make the money. Oh. So before I go, we will take careful. We will remove our hand from something bad. Anything where we know say we bad, and you know say they against the law for Africa, don't do it. Anything when you know say go hurt your fellow person, may we not do am, abeg. So may we watch this video. Had that Jesus come outside publicly, apologize to everybody. So I believe may we forgive, and even Rita, don't forgive her. Remaining our pastor, our beloved pastor Dumeje, I know say that one to go forgive her. So all of una wey just they talk for social media, blah 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 blah. The man is wicked. The man is still, my dear. Mind your speech. Yeah, the man is wicked. Is this, is that, my dear? Are you there? You are not there. You don't know what happened. You don't know what transpired, because me see video when that Jesus do with this Odumeje, they happy, they laugh together. If Odumeje, this girl see where this that Jesus, he go see go Odumeje church. Yeah, una go see him. So may I play the video. May I play the video, make una foresee where she apologized to everybody. That she's really sick now. She's not okay. That she's not feeling too strong. That people should please, anybody that she offended should please forgive her. Okay. Oh, please hold on. I'm looking for the
internet.
Okay.
Reading people's comments. I see let me say, in every post I see,
she's not.
let me say, in every post I see, if there is 100 comments there, almost 70 or 50 people, let me say half of the
See her. She really weak. She's really weak.
let me say half 50 out from the 100 comment. I see where people saying na na-akparị mmadụ, that na-akparị onye ọbụla m fụrụ m ya akparị ya. I'm not a bad person. If you have not seen me before, you have not been close to me before, things you see on social media might make you see me as someone that doesn't have respect or someone that insults too much. No. For example, maybe I did video about somebody. Okay, let me start from Prince Chooks. There is this guy, this number one celebrity that stays in India. There is a video he did about me. It was like I scammed him 5 million naira. That was fake. It was fake. We planned it all, but I don't know why is it that sometimes if I do something, people will change it. They will not change it. They will not see it that I'm a scammer and that I'm a scammer, that I don't have respect. I insult people. I don't insult people. Some of things you see on social media is not insult. Some we planned it, some we used to plan it. We used to plan it. And it will be an elite culture. Why some are real? Some are real, why some are not real? I'm not a fake human being. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. God is my witness. I'm not a bad person. I've never gone to a native doctor before to kill my fellow human being or to weaken my fellow human being or to do anything bad to my fellow human being. I don't know why people are now seeing me as someone that insults somebody. I try to keep quiet, but the thing somehow now is hurting me. I don't like it the way people now see me as someone that insults somebody. I read some comment, people telling me to apologize to all the people who are offended. Why people now accusing innocent ones that they are the reason why I'm sick. I'll be sick not today. I'll be sick even before I started comedy. Not today. I'm just managing myself. The comedy I'm doing is to make myself happy. To be honest and frank with you, is to make myself happy. I don't find it as in being happy. No, I like it happy. No, I like email something. No, I don't know I'm happy. I don't know why now people everything I do on internet, people now see it as an insult. People now see it as I insult people. No, I don't insult. I don't mad. You have not been close to me before. Maybe you have not seen me before. If you've been face to face before, you have concluded that mad. You have concluded that I'm evil. You have concluded that I'm a scammer. You have concluded that I did this, I did that. Just imagine how I'm sick. I'm reading some people's comments on some posts and seeing. That's why I just switched off my phone since 2 days. I just came back 2 days from hospital. I just switched off my phone. I just said, let me just on my phone. Please. And I'm also seeing some comment people telling me to ask for forgiveness to people who have offended. Okay, fine and good. From my heart, if any of my video, if any video I do, you're not happy with it, or if I say anything on the internet, you're not happy with it, I'm sorry. From my heart, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm apologizing publicly, and I want you to please help me share this video. If I've offended you with my video, with my words in any way, I'm sorry. Michelle Mozan. So
it's really touching, man. Please, we should please forgive her.
Offended you in any way, and you're not happy with me in any way. I'm sorry if my video on internet, or my comment, more, you don't like me, you don't want to be seeing me on the internet again. You don't just wish to be seeing me on the internet again. I'm sorry. but I will be glad to read some comments here. If you people don't want me to do comedy again, I would like to read the comments here. I would like to quit and stop so that you stop seeing me on internet. I don't like the way people are now seeing me as a bad person. You have not seen me before. You haven't seen me before. And you just concluded overnight that I'm a bad person. And some comments really hurt me. So, and the second day, I want to say this publicly. You people should stop accusing people that have nothing in my sickness. I'll be sick, not today. It's not today. I'll be sick a long time. Not today. Nobody did this to me. It came on its own. So I don't know why people are now accusing everybody that this person did this to me, this person. Nobody did anything to me. It's not today that I'll be sick. This sickness I'll be eating millions from me. Not today. Just like the thing I'm now, it's not disturbing me so badly that I cannot concentrate anymore. So please, I'm begging in the name of God. As in name only many hot, as in that name video never give will, or we could walk never give on social media. More like I am on social media. I'm begging in the name of God to please forgive me. Forgive me. Anybody that I called his or her name on internet, you're not happy with it. They do share good measure. Friends, though we are not enemy, we are not fighting. We are not fighting, but I'm just calling the names that you people think that I insulted them. With the ratio of the measure, praise. With the ratio of the measure, with the ratio of the measure, praise. Shimari Temple, everybody, in fact, anybody that I've got was a let me say, in every post I see, because I took some drugs, then once again, I'm sorry if my videos, or if I offended you in any way. Nobody can expect the person not to say anything. So if you are misunderstanding my videos and you don't like my comedy and you really want me to stop, you can drop your comments. Later, when I get strength, I will read it. I only have strength to talk now because I took some drugs. Then I have some strength to talk now. So I want to thank you all. I want to thank you all that sending money to me, contributing for me. I say God bless you all. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm now very tired. I can't talk anymore. I want to rest. Please, once again, I'm sorry if my videos or if I have offended you in any way. If I have offended you in any way, forgive me. I'm sorry. Lion, Chimarin, Wanimo, and others. Anybody that called your name on social media, but I want people to know that anything I saw on social media is not from my heart. It's not from my heart. I'm not bad as you think. It's not from my heart.
So we have heard you. So we should please, like she said she's sorry. Nobody on earth will see this video that she make. Is it not yesterday? It's 15 hours ago. That will not forgive her. She said she's done already. That this video that she's making, she will learn a lesson. May God heal her. Once she stand on her feet now, I know that she will mind her business. She will be doing comedy that concern her. Nothing will even concern her to mention anybody's name. So I pray you that is watching to learn from this, okay? So that nothing will happen to you. We are praying for you, even if we can't reach out to you to donate money, but we are praying for you. God, please forgive her. If there's anybody that Jesus offended, please just forgive and forget, please. If you have any remedy to save her, to bring her back to her feet, please do. Thank you guys so much for watching.